how to use AI in order to wholesale real estate, how to use these different websites like ChatGPT or Gemini to land your very first wholesale deal as a beginner. What's up YouTube, Biz Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share my screen with you all and we'll get right into ChatGPT. All right, so I'm here on ChatGPT, and so all I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you or show you all how you can use platforms like these in order to wholesale real estate. And the thing is that websites like these are free, and it helps you find free resources, right? So ChatGPT is great, right? And so one thing is that you could just learn what wholesale real estate is, right? That's the first step in wholesaling real estate. Exactly know the steps. So you can ask GPT is, how do I wholesale real estate? Or you can watch my videos on here. So let's just see what they say. How to wholesale real estate as a beginner. You see? Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at what ChatGPT, this is like the classic answer that you hear on YouTubers, on Instagram. I said on YouTubers, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, all these different places. Yeah. Step one, find distressed property, get it under contract. Well, how do you find a distressed property? And then that's the thing about ChatGPT. You can ask them, okay, how do I do step one? How do I find a distressed property, right? How do I sign the contract? How do I boom, boom, boom? Learn the formula, the 70% rule. As some of you all know, find distressed sellers. Okay, you see that? Look, it's going down the steps. So finding distressed properties is down here. So impressive, right? So just learning exactly the steps of wholesale. I'm going to actually show you all how to find properties using ChatGPT, but just hold on. I want to show you all what all you can do with AI in wholesale real estate as a beginner. So I think this is great. So any questions that you may have about wholesaling, you can answer it here, or you could just go to YouTube, right? Type in Biz Matthew, right? Go to my channel and go into search and just type in title company or wholesale real estate contract. Because honestly, I have topics on all these subjects on my channel. And if you all appreciate me just going straight into this video, like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks, y'all. So yeah, paid methods, direct mail, all these different types of marketing. Talk to sellers. Why are you selling? How soon do you want to sell? What repairs? What price are you hoping for? Motivation. These are different motives. This is actually pretty good. I'm impressed. Lock it up with a contract. Use a wholesaler-friendly purchase and sales agreement, inspection, assignment clause. Lets you sell the contract. That's very important. Find the cash buyer, assign the contract, use the right tools, PropStream. If you all are interested in PropStream, use my link down below. You got a 7 free day trial. Use my link, so be sure to check out PropStream. Helps you find off-market properties. It is a paid service, but you get a discounted rate using my link. So make sure you check it down below. Know your legal side and all that. If you want, I can show you a step-by-step plan to get your first wholesale deal in 30 days. Scripts for calling motivated seller. The best 5 places you can find deals in 2026. Now, these sounds like titles of YouTube videos. And so they may be taking my content and actually putting it out here, right? Because I truly believe I have videos called all of these stuff. Maybe it may not say 2026 here. It may say 2024, right? And so they're just pulling all this information from my videos, of course, and just making this. But yeah, that's one way that you can find wholesale or learn it. And then you can go down the steps. Hey, go more in detail about the legal side of wholesaling real estate, right? So from here, I'm going to say, okay, find me. Now, this is how you find properties, okay? Now we're looking for properties. We're looking for these deals because, as we saw, we have to find distressed sellers, right? Understand the wholesale process. Find the distressed properties. Okay. Find me a distressed property for free. You could do that, and it could tell you different ways. Or I could just tell you all, hey, just find me a distressed property on Zillow, or find me a distressed property here. Wow. You see that? That's insane because they know the area I'm in, right? And so they look up a city, right? And they find a price, sell fixer upper. Maybe it's in the description. 3 beds, 2 baths. Why is this considered distress? It's short sale situation, structural issues, water intrusions. Okay, ARV after repairs 300,000. They're saying estimated repairs probably more than 60,000. So they're telling you get it under contract at $140,000. Subcontract to investors for $150,000. So that's incredible. Do you all see the power of AI? You can just do that all day long. Find me another property. Find me another property. Okay. Check daily on Zillow, Redfin, and Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. Search for keywords: fixer upper, handyman, specials, as is, motivated seller. So you have all these resources here on AI. This is extremely powerful. You know, I'm actually impressed on how powerful this was. I want to do this fresh for you all on this channel so you all can get my real raw reaction. And yeah, this is really good. And then five distressed properties you could try to wholesale this week near Chattanooga. I could do that. Or we can do something else. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually look up these properties. Now, I'm familiar with these areas. I know this zip code can be a little bit sketchy. Actually, this is a really good neighborhood, but there are areas that you have to be careful kind of around that area. Copy. I'm going to go to Zillow, and I'm going to put it in. Let's see what it says. Okay, but it actually sold. So that's not good. So we'll see what they say. So it sold in 2023. But they're saying, hey, you can possibly still buy it if you're interested. So this could be a house that you can target. Let's just go back here. What I'm going to do is find me that are currently for sale. So for sale, investment type of properties. Let's see what this one says. This might be a house. This might be a house. Short sale, all offers received. Okay, so that's an option. So that's how you can do. Or you can say search Zillow and find houses. Now this is the sauce. This is what you all been waiting for, honestly. Search Zillow and find houses that have been sitting for over 60 days that I can wholesale to an investor. Let's see what they say. Okay. So that's what it's doing. It's populating that for me. You see how it populated that and just did that for you? And it has all of these examples. So this has been listed for 170 days. Let's just make sure. Well, it's off market now. Listing remove. So this is an opportunity. You see? Houses like these. And so this is how I would use AI in order to wholesale real estate. Hope you all enjoyed this video on AI and wholesale real estate. Make sure you all like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll talk to you all later.